Come on, it's too hot. Come on. I'll give you a drive later. Quick. Hop down. Quick. Guys, ayaw talaga niyang bumaba. Bear, let's go. Let's go. Sabi niya, pinasakay mo ako, tapos pababain mo lang naman ako. Come on, let's go. Mag-shower muna ako. Come. Lumipat sa driver's seat. Huy! Pasaway talaga. Let's go. Come on. Huy! Teddy bear. Let's go inside. It's too hot here. Come on. Let's go. Come. Let's go inside. Quick. Let's go. Hop down. Down. Hop down. Go. Hindi man dyan siya mukha na. Unless ako ni siyang isira ang pultahan og dali. Come on, down. Down. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hoy, let's go. Hop down. You wanna stay in the car? It's too hot. Yes. You're gonna get burned. Let's go. Quick. That's enough. Pinaglaruan naman ako nito. Hop down. Quick. 1, 2. Hop down. Come on, baby. Down, Baba. Come on. Quick. Hop down. Come on, Baba. Let's go. Oh my goodness. Ayaw talaga niya. Let's go. Down. You wanna go for a drive? Yeah? Tara. Later. May pupuntahan pa ako. I'm going somewhere. Hoy. Ayaw niyang bumaba. What you been doing? Come on. What's the noise? Come quick. Come down quick. Down quick. Come on quick. Quick. Come on. Let's go. Huy. Let's go. What's wrong with you? Let's go, let's go. Alis pa ako. Come on, Baba. That's enough. Come on. Boy. No more. We're going for drive later. We're going for drive later.